Hi everyone, let's get started today on the hands and the knees, and we'll begin by cycling through a few cat-cow breaths. So inhaling as we drop the belly and look forwards, exhaling as we press the mat away and round our back up to the sky. Breathing deeply here, just connecting breath with movement. Opening up through our spine. And if we want to make this movement a little bit bigger, we might drop the bum all the way back to the heels and inhale as we come forwards into a cobra pose, dropping the hips. So exhaling to send it back. Inhaling to come forwards, drop the hips. Waving the spine forwards and back, connecting to the breath. The next time we come forwards, we might stop and hold it here. Maybe see if we can lift the knees and lift the thighs away from the floor. Keep pressing the hands into the mat. Chest is open, shoulders back and down. And then exhale to press up and back into downward facing dog, where we'll pedal out the feet, working out the hamstrings, stretching the lower back. And then meet me in stillness. On an inhale, lift the right leg up towards the sky, point the toe, lift as high as we can. And exhale as we shift forwards, bring the knee towards the chest. Inhale, three-leg dog. Exhale, knee to chest. Three-legged dog. And knee to chest. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest. One more time to three-legged dog. Bring the knee to the chest and hold. Maybe drop the knee and lift, and drop and lift. Core engaged, arms are super strong here. Keep breathing. And then push it back to three-legged dog one final time, before stepping the right foot forwards in between the hands and lifting to a high lunge. Let's bring the fingertips behind the head, open the elbows as wide as you can, and shine your heart forwards and up to the sky, finding a little lean back here. Maybe taking the hands all the way back behind you. And then inhale back to a high lunge. Exhale, dropping the hands and just letting the fingertips hover off the mat. Hold. And then plant the hands and step back into your side plank. All of the weight in the left hand, right hand reaches up to the sky. Take a full breath here. And then step the right foot forwards and find a few little hip dips here. So dropping that left hip down to the mat, and then using your core to pull yourself back up. So we lower and lift, we lower and lift. Keep breathing, staying really strong through that grounded hand. Just a few more here. And then we hold it up. Find your side plank, and then circle that right arm back to the floor. And chaturanga. Exhale as we lower down, just hovering off your mat. And inhaling to find your upward facing dog. Take a breath in. And then exhale, push it back to downward facing dog. Nice, hold it here. Inhaling as we reach the left leg up to the sky. And exhale to bring the knee towards the chest. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest. And again, keep the hands planted. Keep the core engaged. As we pull the knee towards the chest, lift it high. Hold it here and find a few little taps to the floor. So we tap the knee and lift. We tap and lift. We tap and lift, and then press it back to three-legged dog. Hold it here before stepping forwards and finding your high lunge. Bringing the fingertips behind your head, open those elbows super wide, and then start to lean back. Keep that front knee bent. Maybe release the fingertips back behind you. Take a deep breath. And then come back to high lunge. Let's drop the hands towards the mat, but just let the fingertips hover here. Keep the core engaged. And then drop the hands. Find your side plank on the other side. All of the weight in that right hand. I'm just spinning around so you can see me a bit better. So finding this side plank and breathing. Keeping the waist lifted up. And then maybe stepping that left foot forwards and finding your hip dips. Dropping the hip to the floor and then using your obliques to pull back up. Keep the core switched on. Pressing into that front foot for support. And we lower and we lift. We lower and lift. And then hold it here. Step back to your side plank. And then find your plank. Chaturanga here. Exhale to lower. Inhale to upward facing dog. And then exhale back to a downward facing dog. Deep breath in. And a slow breath out. Walk your fingers back towards your feet. Grab hold of your elbows and find a little sway side to side. Just feeling that little rush of energy. And then slowly roll back up and into standing. Take one final reach up towards the sky. And bring your hands to your heart, thanking yourself for this quick and energetic practice. If you like this video, give it a like. If you would like to see more, please subscribe. And namaste.